Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle. It will be a binary puzzle in today's newspaper in the additional of Saturday, September the 19th, 2020. The first binary Sudoku. We have two binaries today. This one will be a number. Let me position this correctly. Yes, alright. This will be number 1572. Yes. And before I start, I always count the boxes. I want to know what kind of binary puzzle is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here in 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here in 1, there 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two ones comes in O. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then. Double 1. Here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes in 1. 3 O's. 3. Am I stuck? I do not know. 3. Between two O's comes in 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row, in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. 101. Let me check. 3 ones. So if I place the 1 here or there, doesn't matter where, then we have 3 O's in this column, not allowed. So these two cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Double O here 1, there 1. And then 3 O's. 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row, not allowed. So this should be a 1. Yeah. Alright. Come on. It's taking too long. Number O. Yeah, I need to compare these two rows. Empty box. O, empty box. 1, 1, O, 1, 1, O, 1, 1. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. I cannot place, we have in this column 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column, not allowed. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Here. Well. Yeah, I need to compare this one and that column. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. With 1 here, this should be an O. With a O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later. Bye bye for now.